Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning manipulating strings, and in today's class we will learn about conversion of string from uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. In many places when we ask user to input a value, it is a good idea to convert the case so that the case you expected or value you expected and value what user entered are same when it comes to comparison, because Java is case sensitive. So if you compare two strings like Python all lowercase versus Python with capital P, or Java in capital J, VA in all uppercase, these two are different strings. So it's always good idea to convert. Now, in order to convert it, Java provides couple of good functions. As usual, all you have to do is to use the function name with parentheses on the variable itself. So if my variable is a equal to I am learning Java and I want to convert everything to lowercase, including, you notice that capital N is capital here. Somebody has entered an all capital letter. In that case, you want to convert to lowercase, all you have to do is to say a dot to capital L lowercase. And you can see the name of the function in Java is always in camel cases. First word all lowercase, and then second word onwards, first character is always uppercase. It looks like a camel, the hump of the camel. So to uppercase, and this will return you naturally, since it's a string and you're converting into a lowercase, it is still a string. So you will create a string variable to store the value. A string b equal to, and you will say a dot to lowercase. Now your b is all lowercase. If you print b right now, you will see even including I am learning Java, everything is lowercase. Similarly, you want to convert that all into uppercase, then you should be able to use another function called toUpperCase, and that will convert everything back into uppercase. So that way, now once you have converted the case, you want to compare it. For example, let's say you want user to enter the day of the week today. Now, if you ask user to enter the day of the week, user may enter it all lowercase. User may say that today is Monday. But in your case, in your code, you want to compare it, but then you are comparing it against Monday, and these two are two different strings. So that's why it's a good idea to convert everything to lowercase and you also compare against all lowercase, or you convert everything to uppercase and you compare with everything uppercase. That way, both strings are same. That's all in today's class. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Go ahead and practice, take the quiz, understand the concept, and practice more and more and more. The more code you write, better you become. See you guys again.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.